So first video, I will try to show how to install Python and introduction and all things. So today I will try this lesson is very basic things about. So basic things are that Python variables and data types. So any one programming language, very important thing is that what is the variables and data types? These are the storage part. How to work, how to use programming and both things. So variable, actually, what is the variable? So name is also indicate you can change, vary. So variable is a use memory allocation where you so variables says they are identified used to hold the value. Suppose I put some value, there some name is indication is that. So this is the part of the okay. Second is their identifier. How to identify it that yes, this is the things are used and all. So very simple things is one. Suppose we have a one thing is that at least we use identifier how to change their first character must be alphabet. Yeah, underscore you can use. All character expect the maybe alphabet, any one numbers. Identify not and any contains are special numbers and that these are the phenomena. Identifier name must be similar, no define and all. Identifying case sensitive name is a not same. Suppose my name is name. Example of value identifier, we have some things, ABC underscore and all. An example of invalid is there. Suppose first is a number and numbers with percentage and some space and etc. So I hope you understood that how to write the variables and all. So first thing is variable, hold the value for sports as a allocation of memory and all. Second is there, suppose you can check. So there one basic thing is that is very basic things that you can say easy is one thing. Object identifier is there. Which one you want the object in that. So suppose there one you can find there a equal to 50. So this a equal to 50 means we can store there some values. B equal to 1 means you can transfer the value b equal to 1. Then after suppose I find it that what is identity means there store the value. So there suppose very simple things are there. Identity use there. ID functions are used. So we can use. Suppose I using print ID A, print ID B, B is there. So variables A equal to 5 and print ID equal to. So I will try that how to systems are both using. So this is the for variables and all how to use. Right. Then next, so suppose I go. So we have some numbers you can check deferred are there. Suppose we assign is very simple thing. Suppose I use in this way. So there one symbols are there. Just 1 minute. So I use no need these all things. Then next is there. Suppose a equal to I use y and all base of the requirement. I got that e number is there, right? So is a variable means some store the value and all. Suppose same things I go with that. They are in very simple examples are variable. A equal to name, age equal to and cell. So these also part is base of the any one programming language where we can use. So suppose I run this program base of any one application and all. So we need very simple is there. We need one system where you go. So previously I saw it that our desktop, there one folder is there, Python example. So we create one directly use. You can use another way also, but I try to same things. So I assign some value. and check it the variable. In front of you can check, suppose I assign value, we put their name equal to, as suppose I put their name is Dharmendra. These are the one way. Second, I put it the next is their one, B equal to 45. Just I check which one is Python, how to reflect and all. Suppose C equal to, I put 45 and dot 6. Just I save. When I save this value, so generally we use save as, you can name is there, suppose second dot py and just straight the yes. So automatically you can find this folder is second is run. Then after cmd, then Python and second dot py. Just wait. You can find it there. Embedded HTML are there. So better know that Python is not is. Okay, so there's a symbol, second dot line number 2 is there. You can find out all things. Line number 2 and symbol. Suppose you can put it that. These are the values. So no any, this is just I assign the value and you can check. Is a nice, means okay. All variables you can define is better. But we need some print is there. If you want display the all things, so you can put there the name. Just I find the name. You can use, suppose without any formatting, very simple way you can print. And all things are very simple. Is variable name is there, so I assign B, and you can assign there C. Just space, save is there, and just you run your code, you can find. So these are the variable. A role is very simple. And anyone programming is very important thing is there, but is a Python is dynamic type there, is a data type. So next I will show it that what is the data type and all, but the variable concept is clear. Suppose there are some in this example, you better know that identifier how to write all things. So better know that these things are there. Right, how to write, this is the proper way and all. Then after you can find, suppose ID is there, but particular symbols, ID you can go that, suppose. So you can just put it there ID and just check it, system how to reflect of particular values and all. So you can find it there. Is there some number, storage number? So suppose I check for these are number is there, then after, suppose I use both things I try to print. So this is the ID. Just I put it there. So I first of all I put the only value. Second is there ID of the storage, say numbers are there. Same you can suppose I use a name. So name ID also using. So just their ID and store. Second C is also there. So you can there's print for the print is a function used for some identity, the value is there, right? So C and just store. Just I run is this code. So you can find it there, some change the value. Suppose I assign the value A to B and all, ID change or not? ID. So suppose there some things are there. Suppose B equal to C. Right. Then after I check, so you can using the CLS, clear the screen, and you can find. So you can identify it there. The C and value storage identity are clear. Somebody asked to you about the objective. So every object creates the uniquely is ID is there. How to show is using the ID word. You can show it that. So I hope these things are also clear. How to variables are there, and you can print the variable name, assign the values, right? Assigning single value to multiple variables also provide these things else. So you can also write that using the same. Assign multiple value to multiple variables also, both concept are clear. You can use and run your system also. So according to the requirement, you can also take it. These are also possible as that, right? Next thing is there are variables, there some type is there, local variable and globals are there. So suppose we have a using in this example very thing def add, each functions are there, and there are some values. When you call that, define the local variable, they scope only within the function. So these are the local and global also using. So suppose I try very simple one examples are there. So you can just I second question also using, yeah, maybe Python is very simple. You can using the same things for your base of your example. You can do it that. So we need define one. So def and weight of the def, you can using the name is add is used base of the example. So previously you can check there's a semicolon also use. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Then after in Python when using, so how to write their very important part is their indentation part is that. So in this symbol you can check next line you can assign the all value, not the same. So you can very simple using. There one things also using. So just I go with that, suppose is a directly printed there. You can use very simple a equal to 5. Just indentation is very important. Is 6. Suppose I. Then after we can write suppose as a, these are the function math is a right there. Then after next session I will try to all things is a within line. So you can write the print. Suppose I print, you can using both things. You can directly using see a plus b also values. Right. These are the function. Then after you can call the function. So suppose I call the function add and put some value. Suppose you directly call the function, no values are needed. Just save it. So I run this and just check anyone problems are. So answer is 11. You can some write things if you use there. So you can write there sum, right. After the sum, you can sub symbol using suppose that just I check system is working or not. So base of the example, but is we can use suppose how two systems are working that. So suppose I just run it that no answers are there. There are some invalid sentence. So is a Python so saying the in sentence we need is some columns are there. See all things are put it bitted sum of yes. Then after another things also I will show it. So this function is okay. So is there some answer some base of the add. You can put there suppose value is add. So I write the add, save, and find the answer is that add equal to this is the value, right? Next I go that suppose if you want some formatting, so our this example base of the scope of the variable. So these are the variables a and b I use in the within the scope. So these are the scope of the variable abc within the function, right? Next is their global variable. Suppose some value you can find the outsides are there. So you can define the outside and you can access the value of using these are. So base of the requirement, we can use this value and all. So in front of you, you can check there some very simple things are there. Suppose you can check this thing, suppose. So previously I checked there are some variables are there. One variable you needed, one functions are there. And these things, which function you can print in all. So one variables are using, so we need this value is defined, print x is directly used and x values are there. These are the function you call. Same thing using for another examples also, we can very simple work in that base of the application, right? So suppose if you want anyone things regarding us, so global variables is there, right? So previously x equal to 101. So these are the declare the variable and initialize the value is the global. Previously, I check ABC within the data of the one function name is there. This function is suppose print x. So if you're using the print x without any this value, so this print x print the value and second print is there. Then after you, if you using this function, x values are there. So you can find it that print to value BCA is there 2 times as using and 101 one time using. So this is there, you can call the function. Main functions are there, call and print. So I using this one. Suppose I try to these things and your system. So this local is clear. Then after I go with the global. So suppose globals are there, you can declare the value, you can find very simple, declare the value is there 1. Is number 1 is properly, this value is outside. Within the function I use, suppose some values. Then define one, suppose main function. So printing, you can use the global variable, just put it there. Suppose, just I check. Then after modify the global variable, you can put the value and this call the function and print the answer. Just give me 1 minute. So I hope these things are clear about value and all. Just save and check the answer. Right. So these two things are clear. First one is global variable when you write. So expo as a value of that. Suppose no write there, just using the X, system is working or not. So I go that, no need to write this value. Suppose I just save and just check it. No. So undefined are there. Variable local is there X. Suppose you can write the global. So these are the scope of the variable, how to write a local and global based on the example and all, right? So in this example, I understood that the variables and use both and X and Y is there based of local and global variables. Suppose maximum possible value of the integer you can put there. There some type also you can check and both, right? So next I will try is there. You can print the single multiple also value using. So just to check there how to answer is there. Print a single value, print A and print S. Both are the same is there. You can check also if you work with that. So suppose I just check it these things. Suppose I put it the new things. So suppose A equal to 5 and just check it there. Print A, then print A and save. Just I clear CLS and check the value. Second, you can find is their value of the both. So also provide these things. And so next video I discuss about data type and all.